So guys, good morning and welcome to another vlog. Naata karon sa General E. Osmeña Street dinhi sa Cebu City. So let's discover another cafe dinhi sa Cebu City. Naata karon sa Copula Maaya Lounge and Cafe. So ubani ko ninyo og atong i-discover kung unsay mga lami na pagkaon nila diri, and let's see inside kung unsa kanindot ang place. Tara. So guys, this is the alfresco dining area of Copula. No? For your information, Copula means, it's an Italian word for cup or dome. No? So as you can see, na ay mga dome shape nga structure inside the cafe. So mao din na siyang Copula. I'm with Ma'am Luna, one of the staff here sa Copula. Ma'am, mangutana ko, unsay mga bestseller ninyo diri nga food, especially for karon nga padung ko mag-lunch?
Sir, atong bestseller is salpicado, pork tenderloin, and Salisbury steak.
Salpicado, okay. How about sa drinks, ma'am? For the coffee?
Sir, we have iced Spanish latte. Mao na atong bestseller. Also the peach tea.
Okay. So, everyday ba mo open diri?
Yes, every Monday close, Mr.
Every Monday, except Monday close lang.
Yes.
But Tuesday to Sunday,
Tuesday to Thursday, 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. And then Friday and Saturday, namin may acoustic band. So, mao na siyang 11 to 1 p.m.
Okay. No? So, ma'am, unsay kasagarang customers ninyo diri?
Sa klase ba?
Usually family, no?
Family, call center agents, mga gikan sa gawas, kanang dress sila diri.
So guys, mao na ni akong gi-order nga food diri sa Copula, no? I have the sizzling Salisbury steak, the creamy beef salpicao, and the pork tenderloin. And for the drinks, I have the iced Spanish latte, the lychee, and the peach iced fruit tea. So atong tilawan first ang creamy beef salpicao. So as you can see, naa siya slices of cucumber and veggies on the side. You have potatoes and carrots. Atong tilawan. Tastes good. Meat siya. And then the meat is so tender. A bit spicy, but okay lang siya. Very yummy. So guys, this is the pork tenderloin. So as you can see, naagihapon siya veggies on the side, and then this is sauteed with garlic, butter, no? So atong tilawan ang pork tenderloin. So creamy, lami po siya, no? So you have a choice, ganiha beef salpicao. This is the pork tenderloin. So it is sprinkled with parsley leaves sa ibabaw. So the meat is tender, and then naa siya cream sauce on the top. Dami siya, guys. Lastly, we have the sizzling Salisbury steak. So it has beef patty and then topped with egg. So as you can see, guys, naa siya sa sizzling pan, no? So it is served hot. Kung lami kayong patty, no? Kuan ka siya, humok. Very tender ang meat. So the patty is topped with special gravy nila and then the egg. So on the side naa po yung mga slices of cucumber. So guys, again for their rice meals, mga bestseller diri sa Coppola, you have the creamy beef salpicao, the pork tenderloin, and the sizzling Salisbury steak. So all days lami good siya, lami, special kaayo and then very unique and taste, no. I love the foods here in Coppola. So aside sa coffee nga ilang gida-serve diri, they serve also cocktails and iced fruit tea. No, so you have a choice of the lychee or the peach tea. It's very yummy. Sakto ra ang iyang sweetness, no. It's so refreshing ang mga iced fruit tea. Guys, for those coffee lovers, ilang bestseller diri sa Coppola is the iced Spanish latte. So atong tilawan. Dami kayo lang coffee. So guys, come and visit Coppola Makaya here in Kasambagan, Cebu City. Yay! So guys, that's it for now. Busog kaayo no diri sa Coppola Maaya. So nindot kaayo ang ilang cafe and very lami kaayo, delicious kaayo ang mga foods diri. So thank you everyone for watching and see you in my next vlog. This is Dr. Herbert Ryan Cruz, your travel and food blogger. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Ryan Cruz MD, and my Facebook page is Herbert Ryan Cruz. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.